This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a complete rewrite of expectations, a redrawing of the traditional boundaries. It changes perceptions of what is possible by leveraging the most innovative powertrain in the world to create an entirely new experience. The all-new Zero SRS. Fast forward. A refined riding experience packed with cutting-edge performance. An aerodynamic, full-fairing design and refined ergonomics create greater efficiency and comfort for you and your passenger. Lean forward into the cockpit of the front fairing and you'll see a 13% gain in highway range. Sit up and settle in for an amazing ride. With higher handlebars, lower foot pegs, suspension tuned for comfort, combined with a bigger seating area for your passenger, the SRS is the most comfortable sport bike on the road. Further your riding experience with 140 foot-pounds of torque and 110 horsepower with a simple twist of the wrist. SRS offers class-leading performance and efficiency from our ZF7510 motor and 14.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. Thanks to our intelligent Cypher 3 operating system and Bosch motorcycle stability control, the new SRS strikes the perfect balance between power and control that sets a standard for premium performance. SRS is the smartest motorcycle on the road. A customizable full-color dash keeps everything you need to know front and center. For everywhere else, our next-gen app allows you to customize and relive your ride and feeds you critical information about the status of your bike. But to truly understand the new Zero SRS, you have to ride it.